Our Trefecta e-bike is, we think, the best e-bike in the world. And why is that? This is the bike for the professional user. You can take it off-road. You can go very fast. We guarantee a speed of 70 kilometers per hour, a range of 100 kilometers with the battery. And that are figures we have not seen before, especially with the payload of 160 kilo, and you can think of a soldier with its packaging weighing about that much. We have seen that we can use the Trefecta bike for all kinds of purpose. You can take it for a commute, you can take it off-road if you like, and you can do that with the same configuration. You can go up in the mountain, after that go to a restaurant or a bar and enjoy the freedom of the Trefecta bike. In the development phase of the Trefecta vehicle, our project team was found with engineers, of course. And these engineers, with their background in the aviation industry, they worked with SolidWorks, so naturally they brought the program to Trefecta. And one of the reasons we are using and working with SolidWorks is because it's a very flexible program. We can use the 3D files for example, CNC machining. We can make the PDF drawings, converter, and make the drawings for manual manufacturing. We can make STL files for 3D printing or make some drawings, for example, a mold. So with this flexible program we can work with all kinds of industry in the world. Working with SolidWorks has taught me a lot about manufacturing processes and working with different kinds of materials, and we actually have to draw some parts ourselves in the meantime. And as I'm not an engineer, I had to learn to work with SolidWorks myself. Just looking at the basic tutorials from the SolidWorks community, seeing some videos on YouTube, I was able to learn master the SolidWorks, and I found the learning curve is very good. We started a project for the Trefecta to see if we can have another manufacturing process for example, our drivetrain. At the moment they are fully custom CNC machined, which is a very good manufacturing process, but it takes time, it's very costly. We wanted to see if we could make an alternative casing for our drivetrain. So our project leader, Mr. Vermarkt, he thought of an idea to make that from sheet metal. SolidWorks is very flexible in working with sheet metal. You can add the bends, you can add different shapes, and yeah, it works very well. And he made that in quite a quick time, and we were able to develop a new casing for our drivetrain. Our prototyping process works as follows. We think of a new component or think of a new way to improve one of the parts. We sit together with the project team, think of the material we are going to use, think of the functionality, think of how can we assemble this part, can we use our existing parts of our bike. Then we start the drawing phase. We're going to evaluate that, and after that we are going to start the rapid prototyping. This can be done in many ways. We can have it 3D printed, we can have it molded, or we can have it CNC machined, which is also possible these days. Within 5 working days we can have it in our workshop. Since the development we have seen the work, the simulations we had to be done. We did that in SolidWorks. So all the calculations, the payloads, and also the technical movements of the bike were simulated in SolidWorks, and that helped us getting there where we are now. Our SolidWorks supplier is CAD2M, and we found it a very flexible company with a good customer support. If you have questions regarding the software package, installation, updates or any other functionality of SolidWorks, you can always contact the customer support and they will help us within a few minutes. We also see that they offer a wide range of training. If you are a beginner level or intermediate or an expert, you can have a training with CAD2M and get to the next level of SolidWorks.